Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw ruined Bobby Bearhug from Poppy Playtime 3. So first let's come up on a diagonal and we're going to start by drawing in the left eye. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. In the top left-hand corner now, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's come down and draw in the nose. So we're going to draw in a curved line that arches down towards the right. On the inside, we're going to curve this line in and then back up towards our eye on the left. Now let's draw in the eye socket. So behind the eye on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving that around and then back in. And then we'll come down on a diagonal and we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the right eye socket, connecting that on the top. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the mouth. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line over and down on the right. We'll come up towards the left, curving this through towards the eye. And then we're going to extend this out and then down on the left hand side. And now let's connect this together. So on the left hand side, we're going to continue to arch this around and then through towards the middle. And then starting back on our right hand line, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Let's close off the top of the head now. So in the center, we're going to come up. We're going to arch this line over and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, starting on the top line, curving this over and then down. Let's come down on the corner of the mouth and we're going to draw some of the stuffing that's coming out. So we're going to curve this line over, back in. To the left of this on the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then underneath, we're just going to curve this line back around and then up towards the corner. Now let's draw in the cheeks. So we're going to curve this line over and down. And then on the left hand side, we're going to arch that out and in. And now from here, we're going to connect this all the way through towards the right hand side, closing off the bottom of the face. Now let's, on the top above the nose, draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then we'll continue to extend this down underneath the eye. Let's draw in a patch missing here. So we're going to curve this line down and out. We'll draw in a diagonal line coming out and then down. And then on the top, we're going to curve this line up, out, and then back in. For the ears now, on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then down. We'll come over to the left and replicate that. Let's leave a gap now. We're going to come down on the right hand side, arching that out and then back in. And we'll do the same on the left hand side as well. Now from here, let's connect this together with a curved line from top to bottom. We're going to arch this line around and then down. We're going to replicate this pattern on the inside of the ear now. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back in. Flipping up on the left hand side, we're going to curve that up, down, and then back in. We'll draw in a small patch on the right, so we're going to bring our line out and then down. We'll draw in two horizontal lines across and then one vertical line on the top. We'll come down towards the chin now. We're going to draw in a straight line across, leaving a gap. We'll replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw two straight lines that come down, and then flipping up towards the top, we're going to draw one. Now let's draw the heart in the center. So we're going to curve this line up and down. We'll come over to the right, curving that up, and we're going to bring that around and then in towards the middle. In the space where we have the gap here now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. From that point, bringing it down. And then from that point again, we're going to bring that across. Again, we'll bring this line further down, and then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line in the corner. Let's move over to the right hand side now and draw in the foot. So we're going to draw in a nice big oval on the right hand side. On the top, let's curve this line around and then down. And then in the corner, we're going to arch that around and then through. And then on the top, we're just going to draw a curved line that arches down from top to bottom. Let's come over to the left, lining this up at the same height. We're going to arch this line over and then out. And then here we're going to connect this with an oval on the side for the bottom of the foot. Let's draw some more stuffing that's coming out of the leg. So we're going to curve this line over and in. On the top, let's arch this line up and in. And then to the left of this, we're going to curve that out and then back up. Let's draw in a small curved line again. Coming down, we'll replicate that. And then one more time, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. Closing off the bottom of the foot now, we're going to curve this line in towards the stuffing. From the top, we're going to curve this line down and in. And now let's close off the body. So on either side, we're going to arch this line down for the torso. And then stepping further out again for the arms, we're going to curve this line down. And then on the bottom, we're going to close this off with an arch line from left to right. In the center on either side of the heart, we're just going to curve this line down towards the top of the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Ruined Bobby Bearhug from Poppy Playtime 3. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.